How to work offline in new Outlook. Open your Outlook application. Then navigate to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. In the Settings panel, go to the General tab and select Offline. Here, enable the option Offline Email, Calendar, and People. Next, choose the email account for which you want to activate offline mode. After that, select the folders you'd like to store locally. You can keep the default selection or customize it based on your preference. In this example, I'll choose Default and Favorites. Now, set the time range for storing emails offline. You can select from 7, 30, 90, or 180 days. I'll select 90 days. If you'd like to download attachments as well, simply enable the Include File Attachments option. Then turn on Sync in the background when Outlook is closed, so your emails continue syncing even when the app isn't open. Once everything is set, click Save. Outlook will now prompt you to restart. Click Restart Now and wait a few moments. When Outlook reopens, offline mode will be successfully activated, allowing you to access your emails, calendar, and contacts even without an internet connection. And that's how you can enable and use offline mode in the new Outlook. Thanks for watching.